Hello everyone, can you all hear me? Hello, hello everyone, can you all hear me? Hello, hello everyone, can you all hear me guys? Hello, friends, can you all hear me? Can you all hear me guys? Hello, I hope you guys can hear me. Currently one stop can't. Friends, can you all hear me? Hello, hello, hello. I hope all of you can hear me guys. Please share if yes, just please type yes. Yeah, can you all hear me now? Okay, but I'm not able to hear, I'm not able to get any response from you guys. Just say yes. Can you all hear me, guys? Yeah, I think you got, I think you guys can hear me. Yes, can hear. Fine, 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 fine. Just wait for. We will wait for 2 more minutes. Uh, exactly at 5:08, we will start this webinar. Fine. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys. 5, 6. I think you also can see my screen. Correct? I think yes. Everyone can see my screen as well as can hear my voice. Perfect. Fine. So if you guys have any questions, you can post it on questions tab after the session end. Fine. Yeah. Fine. 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 Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. So okay. Okay, guys. So I'll go to. Okay. Let me start now. Yeah. We are starting, guys. We are starting now. Fine. Yeah. Fine. So first of all, I would like to thank each every one of you for giving me your precious time to attend this webinar. But I'm very sure that you will be gaining good expiry strategy with this knowledge sharing webinar, which will give you 90% success rate. Okay. I'm very sure that you gonna learn the strategy very much well and gonna give you good money out of this strategy. It's quite simple. We will discuss about that strategy. Okay, so first let me introduce myself. Introduction about me. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Shaktivel, and I have been doing trading as my full-time profession for the past 2 years since 2018, and I could able to make real consistent money with the stock market. So I also wanted to help to the people and retailers, those who are looking for secondary income, and as well as those who wanted to become full-time traders. So I just wanted to give them some confidence with my strategies to make some money from this trading. Fine. Um and I am an option seller. Why I'm into option selling is I could able to make real consistent money with this option selling. That is the reason I'm into option selling. Okay, for in option buying, you have to find the momentum, so that I have not able to do with the market. So that is the reason I moved to option selling. From then I could able to make real consistent money, and that's where my trading career started. So okay, so learn expiry option trading strategy with 90% accuracy. This is the title. Learn expiry day option trading strategy with 90% accuracy. So the title itself, I clearly mentioned this is strategy. This strategy is for expiry day. Okay, this strategy is for expiry day, and which will work 90%, which will work with 90% success rate. Okay, which will work with 90% success rate. This strategy you can also apply on Wednesday also some weeks, but when the VIX is very high, when the premiums are very high, you can also apply this strategy on Wednesday also. But I recommend you and I suggest you to apply the strategy only on expiry, because on expiry day only, I mean on expiry day, applying the strategy only on expiry will give you more than 10% return in monthly basis. Okay, by applying the strategy only on expiry day will give you more than 10% return. Okay, I'll show you the examples also after explaining the strategy. I'll share you a few examples as well. Fine. So, okay, I will straight away go to the before learning the strategy. I also wanted to give you few basic idea about few things. Okay, I wanted to make sure that you are having a basic idea of few things. I will discuss about those things. First is basic option Greeks. Okay, basic option Greeks. Here, option Greeks are there are four components like delta, gamma, theta, vega. These are option Greeks. Okay, but we ignore gamma and vega. You just need to have the basic idea what is delta and what is theta. Okay, delta is the amount of an uh, option price is expected to move based on a 1 point change in the underlying index or stock. Delta is the amount of an option price is expected to move. This is definition. I'll show you the live example. I mean, so that you guys can understand in better way what is delta. Those who don't know. Okay. So delta is nothing but 1 second. I'll show you. One second, guys. Let me log into the Sensible and I'll show you what is delta. So I would like to show with the live examples so that you guys can understand in better way. Okay. So here Greeks open. So here you guys can see delta, put delta and call delta, right? So delta is nothing but here where is at the money 10,750. So 10,750 you can see the delta value of 10,750 is 0.46. It is nothing but every 1 point nifty movement will give the movement of 0.46 in 10,750 premium. Like assume this 10,800 consider 0.54, right? So for every 1 point movement, this say 10,800 put premium will move 0.54. Got it? Like if 2 points Nifty is moving under in this Nifty is moving every 2 point, this 10,800 put will give you 2 points. Sorry, 1 point movement. As the delta is 0.5, it will give you 1 point movement when this Nifty spot is moving 2 points. This is basic idea of delta. What is delta? Okay. Now let us move to another one. Theta. Theta is very simple, guys. It is time decay. Theta is nothing but time decay. This is the friend for us as an option seller. Theta is a very best friend, and theta is the enemy for option buyers, because those who are option buyers, they have to fight with theta, they have to fight with this theta, and they have to succeed. But this theta is a friend for option sellers, because we are making money only from this theta. As the time value goes down, the premiums also goes down. That's how we are making money through option selling. See, guys, though you may have idea of all this knowledge, but still I wanted to make sure, and I wanted to give basic idea of these things, these details, so that you some of you may not know all these details. These details will give you will make you to understand the knowledge, I mean strategy in better way. Okay, that is the reason I'm giving you basic idea of these things, delta, theta. I hope you guys can understand what is delta and what is theta. Fine. Okay. Thank you. Very good explanation. Thank you very much. Now, then we will move to basic strategies. It's again, it's very simple. Straddle. You guys should know what is straddle and what is strangle. Okay. Straddle is a strategy accomplished by holding an equal number of puts and calls with the same strike price and expiration dates. Okay, the definition may make you too difficult to understand what is straddle. It's simple example. See here, 10,500 call and put trading in same strikes with the same expiry date. So that is what straddle. 10,000, if you are trading 10,500 call and put at same time with the same expiry, then that is called straddle. There are two straddles, one is long straddle and one is short straddle. Long straddle is nothing but buying 10,500 call and put same strikes. So same way, like it is just example, any strikes, same strikes, if you are trading call and put with the same expiry, that is straddle. Fine. So long straddle is nothing but buying 10,500 call and 500 put. That is long straddle. Short straddle is nothing but 10,500 call short, 10,500 put short. That is short straddle. Simple. Now, then we will move to strangle. See, guys, again, friends, I'm telling you again, and just giving you these basic idea of all this to you may already have this knowledge, but still I wanted to make sure everyone know what all of this, so that this will make you to understand the strategy very well. Fine. So strangle is an option strategy where the trader trades a position in both call and put option with different strike prices but with the same expiration date and same underlying asset. Simple. So here you are going to trade different strikes. Example, 10,000 call and 10,500 put, same expiry date. Okay, so that is strangle. So if you are making long position, then 10,000 call and 10,500 put, then that is long strangle. And if you are shorting 10,000 call and 10,500 put, that is short strangle. Got it? Yes, I hope I'm yeah. I hope you guys can understand in better way what I'm sharing. Um, then, do you guys have any idea, any questions so far from this what we have discussed? Yes, I think I'm doing very. I mean, I'm going slowly, and I'm trying to explain in better way so that you guys can understand in better way. Yeah. Then we will move to option premium. Option premium can be divided into intrinsic value plus time value. Every strike option premiums are divided by intrinsic value plus time value. Fine. So here the intrinsic value can be I mean, intrinsic value is defined by spot minus strikes. Fine. Spot minus strikes. Intrinsic value is defined by spot minus strikes. Uh, no intrinsic value for ATM and OTM options. There will be only time value for ATM and OTM options. I would like to give you some example for this option premium, so that you those who don't know will understand in better way. Option premium. Okay. Option premium is constructed by can be divided by time intrinsic value intrinsic plus time value. Okay, I would like to take the live example. So here you go. Now the spot is 10,768. Okay, so we will choose 10,700 call option. We will choose any call option. In the money call option we are taking 10,700 call option we are taking. So 10,700 CE, sorry, 10,700 CE strikes we have chosen. The premium 10,700 call option premium is now 146. 146. Okay, 146. So yeah, 146. And here the intrinsic value of this strike is, intrinsic value is nothing but spot minus strike prices. Correct? I mentioned here the intrinsic value is nothing but spot minus strike value. So now the spot is 10,768. 10,768. So intrinsic value 10,768 minus strike is 10,700. So now it's equal to 68. So for this 10,700 call, intrinsic value is 68. Okay. So but actual premium now is 146, but intrinsic value is 68. So remaining 68, 146 minus 68 is equal to 78. 78 is nothing but time value. Whatever 78 premium is there, right? That is all time value. Okay. I hope I'm giving you clear explanation of what is intrinsic value, what is time value, and how the option premiums are constructed. And now, okay, let us take out the money options and even at the money option. 10,800 call option, let us take 10,800 call. Now the option premium is 91. 10,700, sorry, 10,800 call premium is 91. So when you go to 10,800 C, now the premium is 81. Actual premium is now 81. When you what is intrinsic value of this strike? Intrinsic value is nothing but spot minus strike. So now spot is 10,768 minus 10,800. So actual value becomes minus 38 intrinsic value. So there won't be minus value. So intrinsic value is 0 for OTM option and at the money option. So no intrinsic value for ATM option and OTM option. ATM is nothing but at the money option. OTM is nothing but out of the money option. Got it? For uh, OTM option and at the money option, there is no intrinsic value, and intrinsic value is there only for in the money options. So whatever the premium you are seeing in OTM option and ATM options, all are only time value. So all are time value. I hope I'm giving I have given you the right explanation of what is, how the intrinsic value works and how the option premiums are defining, right? Any questions, guys? Any questions so far? I think so far I'm doing well. Yeah. Yes. Okay. I think if you guys can understand these very basic details, then straight away we can move to strategy. We can straight away move to strategy. Fine. Yeah. Okay. See, why I have given this explanation is you need to have this basic idea so that you can understand the strategy in better way, and this idea may give you to explore and find out the new strategy as well by your own. Okay, this strategy I have given. Okay, I'm going to explain you. Okay, so now we are moving to the strategy straight away. Now, how to choose the strike? First, what you have to do is every Thursday around 9-8, you have to note down the pre-open. You have to note down the pre-open around 9-8, because pre-open will close around 9-8. So every Thursday you are just going to open the system and you are going to note down the pre-open price. So for example, we will consider last Thursday. So last Thursday the pre-open was around 10,770. Okay. Okay, let us not take the last expiry. We will discuss that practical, I mean, live examples later. We will go with the live few assumption examples. So uh, just assume that 10,750 is the pre-open Nifty range on expiry day, Thursday morning 9 8. You have seen 10,750 is the pre-open range. What now you have to do is you have to choose the strikes 150 to 200 points away both the side from spot based on the volatility. Okay, you no need to apply any technical. You just have to see the pre-open. Now pre-open you are seeing 10,750. So now what you have to do is you have to choose 150 points away strikes both the side, 150 to 200 points based on the volatility. So I'll give you the insight. I mean, in this, when I expect the volatility can be very less, what I do is 150 points range both the side I choose. 150 points both the side I choose. For example, 10,750 is spot means I will choose till 10,900, 150 points upside, 150 points downside. So 10,600 to 10,900 if that is 150 points range. Then, or if you are expecting the volatility is higher, then you can also choose 200 points away strikes both the side. So for example, 10,750 is the spot pre-open. Then what you can do is you can choose 10,000 till 950 and 10,550. Got it? No bank nifty. Bank nifty, we will discuss about only nifty now. Then because here no bank nifty strategy, I am not applying this strategy for bank nifty because bank nifty is very volatile, and it's not possible for bank nifty. Okay, it's very it's kind of holy grail strategy, guys. I'm telling you, it's kind of holy grail strategy. Okay, so it's very simple. After note down the pre-open range around 9 8, you just have to choose the nifty range either 150 points or 200 points. Okay, after choosing the strikes, what you have to do is what you have to do is just 10,600 to 10,900 we have chosen, correct? 10,750 was the pre-open range, so strike chosen 10,600 to 900, so 150 points both the side, 150 points both the side, 10,600 to 10,900. So just short all the straddles, just short 10,600 call and put, 10,650 call and put, 10,700 call and put, 750 call and put, 800 call and put, 850 call and put, 900 call and put. Okay, this is the very simple strategy. You no need to apply much technical, much option greeks, nothing you have to do. You just have to note down the pre-open and you have to decide the volatility, maybe 150 points or 200 points possible. So after choosing 150 points, just do short straddle of all the strikes. Fine. After you have done the short straddles, what you can do is, here you can't, for every strategy you have to keep the stop loss. For every strategy we have to keep the stop loss. Okay, so what I suggest you is you have to keep the MTM stop loss for one lot. For one lot, I'm telling you, you have to keep 15k, 15,000 as your stop loss. When your loss reaches 15,000, you have to exit from the strategy. Fine. Profit also will remain same, like it will be minimum 12,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees with the strategy. If you are applying the strategy per lot, I'm telling you, you can gain minimum 10,000, 12,000 to 15,000 rupees. I'll show you the few examples, a few live example of last few weeks. Okay, I'll show you last few week live example. I'll tell you guys what are the margin required, what are the things, everything I will tell you. I'll show you. I'll go to the live example so that you guys can understand in better way, and you will get uh, 15,000 overall. Overall, see, overall with a strategy. After executing the strategy, what you have to do is you just have to monitor the screen. You just have to monitor the MTM. Once the profit or loss reach, once the loss reaches 15,000 rupees, you have to exit all the positions at a time. Correct? Okay. Yeah. You guys have to enter this strategy around 9:16, 9:16, 9:15 to 9:16 a.m. You guys have to enter into the strategy. Okay. And after entering into the strategy, nothing, you no need to, you no need to do anything. You just have to see the MTM, either it is hitting the stop loss or going into the target. Fine. You exit criteria is nothing. You have to just hold the position till 3:15. Till 3:15, you just have to hold the position. Fine. I'll yes, yes, through basket order. I'll share you those details. Yes. Okay. Now I'll show you. I'll go to the live example of last week. Yes, 15K loss is per lot. Per lot. Overall MTM loss is 15,000. That is 200 points loss. Okay, that won't happen often. I'm telling you, out of 10 weeks, if you apply this strategy, only 1 week will give you the loss. Only 1 week will give you the loss. Remaining 9 weeks, you can make minimum 12,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees every week. You can make with the strategy. Okay. Okay, so here I'm showing you what was the premium. See, the spot was this range was for 9:16. I mean last week. This last week 9 Thursday 9. Okay, 9 July. This was the total premium. So you guys can see clearly here the spot pre-open was 9,760 to 770 was the Nifty open pre-open range. So I was expected there won't be much volatility, and I chosen only 150 points both the side. So I just have chosen from 10,600 to 10,900 all the straddles. You guys can see here 10,600 to 10,900 all the straddles. You guys can see the premium. I have also mentioned these numbers in Excel. I will show you. Okay, so these are the premium around 916 of these straddles. Okay, and now I'll show you what was the premium around 915 with this straddles strikes. So here you see 10,600, 199, 0.15. So this was the premium around 315, the strikes which we chosen morning at 9:16. Okay, I'll show you the things here. See here. So pre-open was around 10,770. So strikes we have chosen 10,600 to 10,900, and this is call premium and these are put premium. This call premium and put premium was around 916, around 916. Okay, and this call and put premium was around what were 315. Okay, these call and put premium was around 315, around 350. So you guys, this is the profit or loss of these strikes. So you guys can clearly see here that this 10,600 call has given us 69-point loss, and this 10,600 put has given us 5 points gain, and this 10,600 650 call has given us 62-point loss, as it closed around 150 as at 315. Okay, So this put premium also has given us 13-point gain, and 10,700 call has given us some 46-point loss, and 10,700 put has given us 29 points gain. 10,750 call has given us 17-point loss, and 10,750 put has given us 54 points profit as it closed at 0, and 10,800 call has given us 9 points profit. I hope you guys can understand. Correct, right? Yeah. So clearly you guys can see by calculating this, net gain is 172 points. I'll show you, I'll calculate also. You guys can take the screenshot also. Only short straddle, guys. Short straddle is nothing but selling the options. Okay, I'll show you. Minus 69, sorry. Okay, 5 points gain plus 13 points gain plus 29 points gain. I'm calculating only put premiums gain, then 54 points gain, then 84 points gain, then 82 points gain, then 79 points gain. Then I'll come to this, plus 3 points gain, plus 6 points gain, plus 9 points gain, minus 17 points, minus 46 points, minus 62 points, minus 69 points. So net gain is somewhere around 163 to, I think I have missed some calculation. So 163 to 172, whatever. So if you assume 163 point also, it is nothing. 163 into 75 per lot, 12,225 rupees is your net gain. 12,225 rupees is your gain per lot. I will also show you for the past 1 month performance of this strategy, for the past 4 weeks performance of this strategy. Okay, so this is clear, right? Everybody, I'll show you. I'll tell you again how to put the stop loss. Yeah. So okay, then I'll go to the previous to previous week. So this was the previous to previous week. We have chosen strikes from 10,350 to, see, 10,350 call put, 400 call put, 450 call put, 500 call put. Okay, we have chosen these strikes and till 10,650. So you can see clearly by end of the day 315, the profit is somewhere around 11,000 rupees with this strategy. 11,000 rupees it is per lot, and then previous to previous week, I'm telling, I would like to show 10,050. We have chosen the strikes from 10,050 to, can you 10,050 call put, 10,100 call put, 150 call put to, we have chosen till 10,450 call and put. All the strikes we have shorted. End of the day around 315, the profit was 14,595 rupees per lot. Okay, so this is the strategy, guys. Very simple strategy. I'll also show you. And the first week, actually, I'm not having the screenshot. Actually, the for the loss of 15K, you just have to put the MTM stop loss again and again. I'm telling you, you just have to. You can't actually put the stop loss in system. You just have to monitor the screen. When your loss reaches 15,000 rupees per lot, you have to exit from this strategy. That's all. So you guys clearly can see the second week has given us 15K gain, and third week has given us 11K gain, third 13K gain. These all with just one lot. So net gain is somewhere around 24K per lot per month, 24K per lot in 4 weeks. Okay. Now I will move to what are the requirements to deploy this strategy. First, first requirement is you need to have minimum 1.5 lakh to 2.2 lakh capital. You need to have minimum 1.5 to 2 lakh rupees capital. See guys, don't expect from the market like investing some 10,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, making money. That this won't actually work in reality market. You need to have some decent capital to make real decent return. Okay, so if you guys can come up with 1.5 to 2 lakh rupees capital, which will give you minimum 10% return every month. It's not small money. Like 25,000 rupees is not a small money with a capital of 1.5 to 2 lakh rupees capital. You guys can make it. Is in terms of percentage, it is more than 10%, right? Then the next requirement is you need to have laptop or computer, because you can deploy this strategy only through laptop. I mean, only through desktop application. It is not possible to deploy this strategy through mobile application. It is not possible because you have to put only basket order. You should put only basket order to execute this strategy. So you need to make sure that basket order facility available from your broker. Okay, if the basket order facility is available from your broker, then you can deploy this strategy. Fine. I hope I make sense. Yeah. Okay. That's all. This is the detail. I mean, this is my strategy, and here is my contact details, phone number, Twitter handle, everything is there. If you guys have any feedback, and one more thing, guys, I have few intraday setup as well. Coming to intraday, this is only for expiry strategy. Okay, coming to intraday setup, we actually have few intraday setup as well, but as we don't have time to discuss those intraday setup here, uh, uh, we can't actually discuss those intraday setup, but I'm also sharing those intraday calls to my clients. Okay, those who are opening account through my reference, either in Alice Blue or in Angel Broking, through my reference, they will get my calls. I used to give them regularly intraday calls and market updates, and a few we used to conduct very often knowledge sharing webinars like this. So you guys can attend those webinars, and I'll be sharing my uh, referral link also to open the account here. So I have mentioned here my referral link. So you guys just open the account by using this referral link. And once you open the account, you just ping me to my WhatsApp number. So here is my WhatsApp number, guys. 790. Here is my WhatsApp number, and call. You guys can call also. And if you guys have any feedback of this webinar, or any doubts if you have, you guys can ping me to my WhatsApp number at any time. And Twitter, can just feel free to share your feedback by tagging me through Twitter. I'll see if I'll answer to few of questions. Please share the video link. I'll try to, sir, because yeah, I'll try to available. What is available? Here is my Twitter handle. Here is my Telegram ID, and here is my contact number. Yeah, stop loss. Stop loss, since I told you again, you just need to uh, have the MTM stop loss. MTM stop loss you need to have. You just have to monitor the screen when your loss reaches 15,000 rupees. You have to exit from the trades. That's all. But that is very. It's not. It won't actually. Um, it won't easily hit the stop losses. Okay, very out of, again I telling you, out of 10 weeks, only 1 or 2 weeks it will hit the stop loss. Okay, so to place a basket order, all those things, you guys can ping me to my WhatsApp number. After opening the account, we used to conduct a webinar, knowledge sharing webinar like this many. So uh, can attend me and can ask me any questions if you have. Okay. uh, Trending market, see, that's what there is see, the thing is that till the time the movement is there from 10,600 to 10,900, you will not make big loss, you will not make the beautiful the beauty of this strategy is uh, you are safe till it trade between 10,650 to 10,850. Till Nifty trades between 10,650 to 10,850, you are safe with this strategy. That is the reason. See, for every there is no strategy called 100% right. 100% will give you the profit. So this strategy will give you will uh, uh, hold your nerves till some extent. So till 10,650 to 10,850, your stop loss will not trigger. So you can easily make minimum 150 to 200 points per lot with this just one lot. And again, you need to have the capital requirement. I am telling you where it is. Yeah, here the capital 1.55 to 2 lakh rupees capital you need to have. Basket order facility from your broker you need to have. And if you guys want to avail get my intraday calls, and few actually we are also working on stocks intraday setup that is in testing phase, that is also will be shared through another free webinar to my clients. So you can easily become my clients by opening account through my reference link which I already shared. Okay, any more questions? OTM to hedge this, no, that won't actually work. OTM to hedge this strategy actually will not work. Okay, any more questions do you have, guys? Any have? If you guys any have any questions, we already have account. See, it's no BO facility not there actually in Alice Blue. uh, yes, we have to sell all 14 options. Yes, deploy the script. Yes, which broker, how much the capital is very less. That's what, guys, just ping me whatever the doubts you have, because we don't have much time actually here. uh, we have only time till 5 o'clock. So if you guys have any basic, I mean, any general questions, please ask me. I'll try to post the things recording of this webinar. Yeah, I'll try to share, guys. I'll try to share. Just ping me. My name is Shaktivel, guys. My name is Shaktivel. My name is Shaktivel. Uh, I mentioned I have given my contact details here. You guys, yes, yes, basket order is must only because we are going to deploy, we are going to sell what in the money call option, also in the money call, in the money put options. Okay, so it's not possible without basket order for this strategy. Bank Nifty, see, guys, again I'm asking you, why you are looking for another strategy when you can make easily 10% return with one strategy, and just by trading just one day? Why do you are looking for another strategy? Okay, any other questions? We'll back test and then try. No need actually, because I have already showed you 4 weeks screenshot. But still, if you wish, you guys can do some virtual trade through Sensible or anywhere wherever you want. What doubt actually? What is basket order? Basket order is nothing but you have to execute multiple trades at a time. Okay, so here I mentioned, right, like you have to do all the short strategy: 10,600 call put, 650 call put, 700 call put, 750, 10,000. So till this all the strikes you have to execute at a time. So that is called basket order. Okay, just ping me to my WhatsApp number, guys, friends. I will clear you. I'll definitely clear your doubts. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I'll definitely. No. Actually, you need to have just 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh rupees capital with 10 times exposure. With 10 times exposure, 1.5 to 2 lakh rupees capital is enough to deploy this strategy with one lot. With one lot, you can make 10,000 to 15,000 rupees. Yeah, that's all. That's all, friends. I have given you, here is my contact number. Just contact me if you guys have any questions. Please show straddle charts. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. First of all, thank you very much. Thank you, all of you, for giving me your time. 10 times exposure with 1.5 to 2 lakh rupees capital, 10 times exposure. Any more questions? Because we have few more minutes to complete, to wind up this session. Allies Blue provides, actually, Allies Blue is not providing basket order so far. We have requested, already we shared our feedback. They will introduce basket order very soon. Okay, so here I'm showing you if spot move 1,000 points. See, that's what this is, intraday strategy, guys. You have to execute this strategy around 9:16. You are going to have the MTM stop loss. Yeah, yes. Just to ping me to my WhatsApp number. I'll share you. I'll tell you the details. Allies Blue happens. Exit also. Yes, exit also happens only in basket order. No, I don't think so. I am not sure. See, guys, I'm telling you, if you go ahead, if you want any support in terms of trading calls, intraday calls, or to decide the Nifty range or market update, just open account through my reference and avail all my service. Fine. And we also very often we conduct these kind of knowledge sharing webinars, and you guys can learn lot of things. Fine, this is almost like holy grail strategy. So here you go. Yes, need to open account. Yes. Okay, friends, thank you very much for your time. I'm closing it now. Thank you all. Bye.